Oh wow, you're in the car. We got ready first for once.
All set and ready to go.
Over, huh?
Let's move. I'm ready. What? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
What do you mean what's wrong with me? Move.
There's no way.
What, babe?
Baby,
What?
did you see yourself?
I look gorgeous.
No, you don't.
Baby, you said get ready quick. I got ready quick. Do you notice I used blue, your favorite color?
The one is up and the other one's down. Your eyebrows. Babe.
I can use glasses.
Yes, good idea. And also, instead of using glasses, can we just go through a drive-through? Go to a restaurant. Can we go through a drive-through instead? Please. And then you can sit in the back seat
Why must I
with the
sit in the back
glasses
if we're
on.
going through the drive-through? You don't like it. I tried my
Do
best.
you like it? That is definitely not your best, babe.
I like it.
Baby, no way, love.
Baby, it's the effort.
Did you see
Mike.
yourself? There's no effort, baby. There's no effort. Oh my. Hold here, please, love.
Why?
Please hold these keys. I can't make it.
Where?
My tummy is sore. I won't be able to go with you. love.
Instantly.
I won't be able
Michael,
to go with you.
Mike,
You
instantly
know
your
how my
stomach's
tummy
sore.
is, babe. You know how
Just
my
like
tummy
that.
is. I can't make it, babe. Five.
Sis, baby. Through sickness and in health. For rich or for poor.